Ika-5 yugto ni Beta papuntang Mythical Glory. Tara, panoorin nyo kung paano mananalo sa laban ang team nila Beta na muntik ng matalo. Kung hindi ka pa naka-follow sa page, pa-follow na lang. Salamat!
Don't you go. You make my every cell flow, my every breath slow and calm. Yeah, that's how you make me feel I'm yours. You